Morning students, in this section how to determine the transfer function by using the given equations. See, the problem is system whose state variable description is given by x dot 1 x dot 2 is equal to 0 1 minus 12 minus 8 x1 x2 plus 0 1 u y is equal to 8 1 x1 x2. Determine the transfer function. The first of all, to identify these two equations, this equation is the state equation, this equation is the output equation. By using these two equations, you can find the transfer function. The first of all, you can write the a b c d matrices by using this equation. That is, you have the two equations, that is x dot of t is equal to ax of t plus b u of t. Compare this equation with this one. X dot of t is equal to a x of t plus b u of t, where a b is the matrices. Then comparison, after comparison of these two equations, the matrix A is equal to 0 1 minus 12 minus 8 matrix. The B matrix is B is equal to 0 1. Next one is output equation. Y of t is equal to c x of t plus d u of t. Compare these two equations. Then y of t is equal to c x of t plus d u of t. In this equation, d matrix is 0. There is no input in this equation. Then c is equal to 8 1. This is the C matrix, this is the A matrix, B matrix, C matrix. By using this A B C matrix, find the transfer function. The transfer function y of s by u of s is equal to c into si minus a inverse b plus d. The d is 0. First of all, you can find the si minus a, after then inverse, after then multiplication of b, after then c. The si minus a is equal to, the I selection is based on the A matrix. A matrix is 2 by 2 matrix, that's why I is also 2 by 2 matrix. That is S into I matrix 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 matrix minus A matrix is 0 1 minus 12 minus 8 0 1 minus 12 minus 8. And Si minus A is the S into 1 is the S into 0 is the 0, that is equal to S into 0 is the 0, S into 0 is the 0, S into 1 is the S, minus 0 1 minus 12 minus 8. See, in this one, S minus 0, you get S minus 1, S minus 1, this is the S minus 0, you get S. Next, 0 minus 1 is the minus 1, 0 minus into minus 12 is plus 12. S minus minus 8 is S plus 8. This is the Si minus A. After that, Si minus A inverse is equal to, how to find the inverse of Si minus A? AD minus BC 1 by AD అంటే S into S plus A minus BC, that is the minus 1 into 12 is the minus 12 minus the plus 12, the matrix. This is the A D and D minus B minus already is the minus 1 minus B plus 1. D means D means S plus 8. This is the minus 1 is the plus 1. This is the 12 is the plus 12. You get the minus 12. This is the S. This is the Si inverse is equal to 1 by AD. AD minus BC, the matrix of the D term. This is the A term minus B minus already minus 1 minus B is the plus B in the minus 12 plus 12 minus 12. Okay. Next one is Si minus A B, that is equal to 1 by S into S plus A plus 12 into S plus 8, the 1 minus 12 S into B. The B matrix is 0 1. This is the Si minus A inverse B. This is the Si minus A inverse B is equal to, this is the Si minus A inverse, this is the B, is equal to 1 by S into S plus 80 plus 12. The matrix is S plus 8 into 0 is 0. The 1 in 1. S plus 8 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Next, minus 12 into 0 is the 0 plus S into 1 is plus S, that is equal to 1 by S into S plus 8 plus 12 into 1 S. This is the Si minus A inverse B. Next one is C into Si minus A inverse B. This is the Si minus A inverse B is this one, is equal to, the C is 8 1 matrix. This is the matrix 1 S. This is the transfer function 1 divided by S into S plus 8 plus 12, that is equal to 8 into 1 is 8 plus 1 into S is S into 1 by S into S plus 8 plus 12, that is equal to S plus 8 plus S by S into S plus 8 plus 12. Finally, the transfer function y of s by u of s is equal to c into Si minus A inverse B is equal to 8 plus s divided by s into s is the s square plus s into 8 is the 8s plus 12.